Hello friends, welcome to Coding Spider. In this video, I will show you to renew the free SSL on cPanel. Uh, so let's start. So in my case, let me tell you my case. So suppose I have installed a cPanel on AWS server in EC2 instance. So I have installed an OS in AWS EC2 instance, and then I have installed the cPanel. So I have purchased a cPanel license in monthly basis, but suddenly my cPanel license is expired, and after some time my SSL is also expired. So finally my website is not working and my SSL is not valid. So in this case, how we can reinstall or renew the SSL without going to the cPanel UI? So I don't have access to the cPanel and I want to renew the SSL. So in this case, I have the SSH login, so I can renew the SSL of the cPanel and the website through the SSH. So in this case, you must have a root access of your server. Then only you can renew the license. You can renew the SSL, which is free, available in cPanel. That is called Let's Encrypt. So first, you have to remove your old SSL certificate for your domain. So to remove your old SSL certificate, you have to put this command in your SSH. Once you log in successfully into your SSH, just copy paste this, or you have to replace your domain from here. So what will do this command, this will remove your old SSL certificate which is expired. So the primary task of this domain will be delete all the existing .pem file, like certificate, keys, chain for your domains. Okay, and the second step, it will force the fresh certificate issuance in the next step. F I am using as an option in this command, that is that will execute for no error if file does not exist. Suppose I am executing a command, and if the file does not exist, it will not throw any error, or it will not go to the any error log also. So that's why I'm using option F. So this is the very first command to remove the old certificate. Okay, so we will now move to the second step, which is run auto SSL check for the cPanel user. So in my case, my cPanel user is Dave. So suppose your cPanel user may be the e-commerce or something the related to your username. So whenever you log in with your cPanel, you get a username. Suppose fashion store. So your username is the fashion store. So you have to rename the Dave here with your username of the cPanel. So what will do this command, I will explain you. So this will trigger a auto SSL to issue or renew the SSL for your cPanel user Dev. Okay, in my case this is Dev, but in your case will be the cPanel username. Okay, so what will check, this will go to the auto SSL directory and check the auto SSL issuance and renewal. Okay, ideal for testing or existing one account. So you have to put one real username here on the dev. Okay, and our third command will be rebuild the Apache configuration and restart the web server. So this command will rebuild the Apache configuration and restart the web server. So step 2 is very essential for this, because step 2 what do is trigger a auto SSL to issue or renew the SSL. Means step 2 will check the auto SSL and renew the new SSL. Okay, so in third we will rebuild the configuration file and restart the Apache server. So you can see that restart the httpd, this will restart our Apache server. So the first is Apache, this file will be updated with the SSL host, and gradually restart the Apache server to apply the new SSL certificate and ensure that the restart runs only if the rebuild is successful. In next step, we will set up the SSL provider. Okay, in some case, if that is not worked, means you reach the step number 3 and still the SSL is not installed successfully in your domain, then we will move to 4. In generally, means maximum cases, you will get the new SSL certificate into your cPanel account in the step number 3, but I am also putting the exception case, which is step number 4. In this step, it will set up the AutoSSL provider, Let's Encrypt. So the 4th step will be only good for you if the step number 3 or 2 is not worked for you, so you can proceed with the step number 4 also. So in the step number 4, what we will do, we will set up an AutoSSL provider to a Let's Encrypt, okay, which is free of cost, available under the cPanel license and cPanel provider hosting software. So in this command, what we do is globally switch the cPanel AutoSSL provider from any paid you can see any paid provider to a free provider, that's Let's Encrypt. Suppose you are using one paid SSL into your cPanel and you want to migrate to a free SSL, that's Let's Encrypt, and you do not want to make any payment to the existing SSL, so you can switch to the free SSL, that's Let's Encrypt. So you have to type this command. This command you usually switch your SSL to auto SSL provider, that's Let's Encrypt. So in step number 4, we will switch the SSL provider, and in the step number 5, we will try to install the Let's Encrypt AutoSSL plugin. So you have to install the AutoSSL provider plugin, and this will enable the official Let's Encrypt plugin into your WHM and cPanel. So that is required for free SSL. Okay. In step number 6, we will add daily AutoSSL cron job. Means this will help us to do the automation. Suppose after means generally you can see that AutoSSL like Let's Encrypt have validity of 3 months. So if you install the SSL today, after 3 months it will expire. So after 3 months also you have to do the same task. So to get this job automatically done, you can set up a cron job which is automatically executed. Okay, so you can set up a cron job daily basis. It will check that SSL is going to be expired today, then it will renew automatically. So this is the very quick code command you can use to check the auto SSL renewal, and it will do the renew the SSL automatically. So you can use the step number 6, but that is you can say optional part if you do not want to install manually. So or one more important command I want to share, that if you want to check all the domain, means if you want to check all the auto SSL for all domain immediately, then you can put the command number 7, which will check all users. Suppose under the cPanel you have 3 account, and all 3 account you want to SSL. Suppose we can create multiple cPanel, and under cPanel we can create multiple websites. So if you want to check for all the website, you can run this command. This command will check the auto SSL check. If any expired, then renew, and if not expired, then it will show you the message. And step number 8 is very important, to rebuild the configuration of the Apache server, and step number 9 is to restart again your Apache web server to take the effect of the changes in your server. And hopefully after this your SSL will be installed successfully, and that will help you to install your SSL through SSH. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please help me to encourage to create new videos by just showing the like, comment and share button. Subscribe my channel so that it will help me to create more videos. Thank you, friends.